Welcome back to my channel, guys. I hope you're all doing well. So meet Mika, our cat. And this one, guys, I'm trying to fix my vlogging props. And I really didn't want to spend another to buy a new mobile holder. I think I'll be happy with this one. Meanwhile, in the meantime, so I also have some weights like a book to hold the weight of the holder. And yes, I just stayed the entire day today at home because I needed full rest. And half. I was supposed to do a workout, but I didn't. I was not able to. But anyhow, so I just did some chores at home. So this channel is about routines, flows, schedules, and somehow trying my very best to practice discipline, because I procrastinate. I tend to do things later on, maybe next time, or not at all, or isn't it? So as you age, as you mature, you learn a lot of things. And that's the most important thing, guys. Improvement, getting things done in a span of, but in at your own pace. No forcing at all, but somehow having a little bit of, good timing. Okay, this is my personal practice. I really just want to share with you that maybe you're also in the same situation. You want to accomplish things and you are wondering why not, or why is it taking me too long to meet this type of schedule. And it's really because of, our mindset on how we do things, or it's just really a matter of prioritizing things. So, wow. So, I myself, don't worry, guys, we're all in this. So, there's always, a good time to, just start and begin again. Something worthwhile at home. Now, these are not mine. This is actually my son's gift to his girlfriend, Bianca. So, I just found this here. And so cute, guys, Crybaby collection. And yes, I am a collector of this huge trash bags, clean trash bags, guys, that has a pile of my workout clothes, which I'm in now because I needed to prepare for the week. And then, yes, because I need to organize a lot of things. I'm gonna show you later where. Yes, so this one, I'm trying to choose the clothes I needed to wear for the rest of the week, which is my cycle for yoga practice or exercise 6 days a week is starting on a Tuesday. So because I had a flu this Monday. Okay, so I needed to recover, guys. That's fine, isn't it? So if your routines, or if you're not able to meet your schedule, that's fine. You just start again, try again, begin again. Just you can rest for 1-2 days a week. Just practice bouncing back, right? Okay, so guys, I'm trying to knot this one. Not organized, guys, I know, but this is realistic scenarios of, isn't it? It's not always like minimalist, or I tried, trying being a minimalist, and I didn't succeed because in the house, there's no way I can. But anyhow, so this one, just being grateful, guys, with what you have, just, using what is available and this one, guys, okay, sorry for my English, guys. Okay, this one, don't forget to turn off the fan before, or any appliance if you're going to clean it. All right, so this one, I know I didn't want to disassemble or dismantle it 100%, because I remember I could not return one electric fan that I dismantled, and then I wasn't able to assemble back. So so this one, sadly, just the top, and maybe polishing or wiping wiping every side, hind side, or the LEC, or whichever part, guys, what I can. Okay, so just trying, guys. So this one is unplugged, guys, so remember, turn it off and unplug, and make sure you have not dry hands when you are wiping some electronic or power tuloy mo yung English mo, powered or power, or when you are operating machines, of course, right? So I always share this, guys, whenever I am cleaning. Maybe you too, if you analyze, guys, that somehow while cleaning something, washing away something, or wiping even the table from left to right, to and from, somehow something is being cleansed. You get me, guys, that feeling? This, I am not shy to admit that happy, not so happy, I do chores or exercise. That really is my go-to activity whenever, guys. Aside from, of course, some recreational with or without friends or people to talk to. Somehow, nature, getting closer to nature is my go-to whenever. But this time, really, it's just a rest day. So, why not, right? So, do some home chores. That is why my new tagline would be School of Patience. I think it starts really from home. So this is where we really establish our, all our practicing qualities to be patient, to discover what we really like to do, or learning to love what we can and what we can't do at home. Really will lead us to somehow a good practice or habit of getting disciplined. This I had always been sharing. If things are too much for you in doing some home chores, do it partially. Like, just a portion of the house or of the room or of some whatever. Like, you just want to clean this small pouch. Then you start from there. Then you go onto the huge, bigger bag. And then you go onto the suitcase. You go onto the next to the closet. You just begin again something worthwhile, anything that can really contribute to the people around you, to the, you get me, guys. How many times have I used the word, the phrase, 1,000 times? I don't even know, guys. Okay, so this one, guys, yes, home chores is kind of daunting. It is daunting, realistically, guys, but you will learn to like it along when you have no choice but do it. Guys, really, just reality, ha. So that is reality. We need to do chores at home. All right. So this one, I am perpetually wiping things, so I will not be piled up with a lot of things to do. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so this part of the room, I need to clean that, but I'm still, guys, I'm trying. This is my practice of being disciplined. But this one, guys, I already, cleared some parts of the room. If notice, guys, there's no more dividers in the room. We had it, transferred to another, place, guys, and that's why there's a little bit more space here. So that's my bed, and then that's my son's bed. So it's a sofa bed. And then this one, guys, I need to you see that clutter up. I just put up some sacks of shoes there, some pillows, some extra blankets, some but not today. But I'm trying. I'm not showing you that I'm super disciplined, but this is just the thing that I need to face in one of these, maybe tomorrow. I don't know. I just already like been cleaning the entire weekend. That's why I kind of got sick and not able to do my yoga. But maybe one of these days I'll do that. Okay? I hope. Alright guys, thank you. So guys, thank you so much for being with me today, and I hope you learned something on this channel, guys. See you again. Take care. Bye.